I kid you not, I was literally going to buy one of these since we have moved into this new house. Now that I have many different places that I can film in this house, whereas in the apartment, I was kind of confined to my office, I had been thinking about getting a ring light, which is something that is different for me because I use studio lights and I have 3 to 4 of them. And that's kind of what I like best. I like studio lights. However, who gonna be moving 3 and 4 studio lights from A to B, upstairs, downstairs, from this space to that space? Not me. Anyway, I was going to buy a ring light finally, and then this company reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to review a ring light, and I was like, look at God. So it was delivered to my job because our address is new. It's not really on the map. I don't trust it. I didn't think it would make it here. So I sent it to my job and they were like, you have a package. I went and got the package and it was huge. I thought it was something else. I thought it was a small package that I had ordered because they didn't tell me they sent this out. But let me show y'all this package. This package is huge, huge. And we already broke a nail today, so I mean, at this point, it's whatever. We are going to unbox it because I have a video that's due tomorrow that I have to film, edit, and upload today. And okay, the box inside of this ain't as big as the big box. This is the box inside of the box. But yeah, I have a video that I have to do today, and your girl really ain't trying to be setting up those studio lights. I don't even want to set them up. Like, I have not even filmed with them yet. I've been filming in natural light, but it's dark today. It gets dark every day, but it's dark right now because I'm getting home from work. I'm using a box cutter to cut through this. Would not recommend. So this is how it comes. And to beat it all, I was going to buy this brand. It is Neewer, is how you pronounce it. So it comes with this bag, which I assume is the ring light, and then this box, and then this box. I was correct. This is the ring light. And I think this is 18-inch. Don't get me lying. I basically got the one that I would have gotten if I were not going to be receiving it in PR. So in the long box is the tripod. Oh, it has a little cap on it. This little cap comes on. This is where you put your phone or camera or whatever. I'm actually gonna put this on here to see what it looks like. And in this box, there's a bunch of stuff. So cute. You get a little remote. You get some kind of cord, instructions that I'm not gonna follow, a phone attachment, another cord, probably the mount for something, I don't know. And then some little pieces. Basically, you get this. Again, following instructions is not really my style, so I'm basically just gonna put this together. So let me put this together and I'll be back. Okay, and we're back and the light is on. It took me about 5 minutes to put together. I'm not the brightest but I didn't need to use instructions, and common sense tells me that this may be a like power source piece for like a different country. I don't know what country, but that's just what I assume. So I don't think you need this. Well, I don't here in the United States. So yeah, we have power. This piece I am not using. Let me just stand up. How about we adjust it so I don't have to look weird. Okay, so I'm standing up now and I stand 5'6". 5'6.5" feet from the ground. So yeah, we have the piece that I don't think is for people in the United States. We have this little remote left, and we have this, which is a phone attachment, which I'm not recording on my phone, I'm recording on a camera, so I don't need this. But I do have camera 360. Remote shutter, easy to set up. Pretty sure I have to set this up to my camera. And, oh, I have to turn it on. Let's see if this works. No, I'm pretty sure I have to like set this up to my camera. I'm not doing that today. So I'm gonna turn this back off. As far as like the ring light itself, there are 2 little knobs on here. First of all, there's a little attachment on the left side of it. You use that to, it's a dial for on and off. And then there are 2 knobs. And I think I can adjust like the brightness. So yes, whatever that did, the outside of the ring went away, the outside light. Oh, that makes it more natural. And that gets rid of the natural. So I don't think this looks much different than if I were to have it off. Oh, okay, I lied. Oh, okay, that's off. This is on. And then this brings in those natural lights. I love. It's like a warmer, it makes it warmer. Ooh, I love, okay. And this one gets rid of the other whatever. I think that's like daylight or sunlight or whatever. So that makes sense. Ooh, I freaking love this. First of all, I really do love the color of my skin, especially when it is tan, which is not the case for the winter time. So this is making me look like I have a nice bronze tan. But I think I might want to go for like that. I love that. You see how brown I look? I love it. I love this. The only thing I need to figure out is this, which like I said, I doubt that I'm gonna be spending any time of my day trying to figure out this piece, but I wanna take the camera off so I can show you guys like the actual knobs and whatnot. Okay, so here is the ring light, and it is so nice. I love it. And here is the on and off dial. So you can see, you just turn it on, turn it off. Super simple, love that. I kind of like the naturalness of this too, but there are gonna be some occasions where I'm gonna have to, you know, brighten up some things. And then that is cool. That's a C for cool. Again, I'm using common sense. And a W for warm. And then minimum and maximum. So let's do max warmth. Max everything. I guess that's max with the warmth on. So that is the max. And then let's do the minimum. Okay, like I said, that takes away from the, it takes the cooler light away. And then that is it off. So, all right, so the light is off now. I'm just using this as literally a tripod, but I'm literally obsessed. I love this one. I picked this one on purpose because I thought that it would go best with my knees, and as you can see, it definitely does. This does, I mean, I feel like I really do like the naturalness But I love that too. Like, that looks really good. Like, oh my gosh, that looks so good. I hate the glare. Like, if I were to be filming here and then you can see that ring light, that doesn't work for me. So that might be an instance where I might want to just go with the natural light with the camera, because I cannot deal with that ring light, or just avoid anything that would show the reflection of the light. But I literally love this. And now I need to go film a video, but I just wanted to share with you guys. Thank you, Neewer, for sending me this ring light. And it's pretty affordable, if I'm gonna be honest. If you're gonna be mobile, then I'm definitely gonna recommend a ring light. This is pretty much a no-brainer than to carry around multiple studio lights, because usually one doesn't do the trick. So I'm not getting rid of my studio lights by any means, but as far as like mobility, this is it. This is the one.